In this video, you're going to see a fully automated robotic CNC turning cell using Renishaw's Equator gauging system to enable process control. We worked with Fanuc and with Star machines to put this cell together, and you're going to see every stage of the process in developing and proving the cell out.
So the full cell works by having the freshly machined part come off the lathe on the conveyor belt and then places it in a regrip station, which actually allows for the part to be in a perfect position each time, and it's in an accurate holding to then place it into the equator.
There are several benefits to using an automated manufacturing process. The first of these is lower labour costs, meaning that your skilled staff, who are in high demand, can be used for other productive tasks. The second is unattended operation, so your machines can run overnight 24/7 while your skilled staff are doing one shift a day.
The ability to run lights out for longer periods on more challenging work pieces that would suffer from tool wear. We can cater for that with the automatic tool offset system that feeds back all those small adjustments back into the CNC control.
When a cell is programmable, you have a flexible solution which can be retasked when your production needs to change. This was a joint project between Fanuc, Renishaw and Star. Fanuc put together the robot program to load and unload the machine. Star did the machining program on the sliding head machine. And Renishaw programmed the Equator gauging system to measure machine features and make automatic updates to control the machining process. In a traditional manufacturing process, you would have to manually gauge parts and then manually update process variables such as tool offsets. With the Equator gauging system, you can automate process updates so that it automatically compensates for any drift in machine performance or for cutting tool wear. So how can you introduce automation into your manufacturing? First of all, you need to understand what's suitable for your operations. Renishaw are experts in all types of process control, working with machine suppliers and robot suppliers to give you a fully automated solution. Speak to one of the experts at Renishaw about how to introduce automation into your CNC turning process.